Hi everyone, I am Steven. I hope you're having a great week as I have. Today I want to make a little video for investing with low budget, which is my case, because I have come out of a very difficult time in the past year. I've had to go on bankruptcy. I have lost my home and big stories. Um, just to let you know my background, I was a financial advisor for 2 years. Things were going good, but in the last year, not job related, but lots of stuff happened, which led to a bankruptcy. And I want to show people with low income that you can still invest, save money, and eventually be financially free. So I have decided to start a Wealth Simple Trade account, which is a free stock market account for investor in Canada. In the US, you guys have Robinhood, I think, which is pretty much the same as our Wealth Simple Trade here in Canada. So I'm gonna show you everything on this channel about where I invest with low budget, what stocks I buy, what I gain, what I lost in the month, every month or 2 weeks, I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna make a video update about what's going on with my portfolio, what we gained, what we lost, where I invest. So today I have about $100 to invest. So I'm gonna show you right away where I'm gonna invest that money. Let me get my app. So if you want to invest like I do, I'm not a financial advisor anymore, so I cannot give you any advice about where you invest. But if you want to mirror what I do or take example in what I do, you can follow. Let me set up the second camera. I hope we see. Okay, that's good. So I was looking at TD, Dominion Banks. Their stocks as well. Every stock on the market has been going very low in the past few months because of the virus that we cannot name on YouTube. But at the date of this recording, they are about to pay their dividend. Let me start the video. Okay, so they are about to pay their dividend on April 8th. Yes, April 8th. So they pay every 3 months their dividend. For people that doesn't know what dividend is, it's actually when you invest in a stock in a company, every month, 3 months, 6 months, or every year, they're gonna send you a check, like a paycheck for investing in their company. Since you own a part of this company, they're gonna give you a percentage of the profits they make. So TD is paid every 3 months, but if you hold the stocks on the 8th, you're gonna receive your dividend. So it's now at 56.48. It went up a little because when I checked this morning it was at 55. So let's buy that. So we have a available $120 today. So TD is at 56.46. So let's buy one stock of that. So we have some other money. By the way, Wealthsimple is the only trade stock brokerage account in Canada. So for every trade you make, it's free. At the opposite of TD or Questrade, which have about $10 fees on every trade you make. So that can add up. So this app is really good when you have low budget because you don't pay any fees. So one stock of TD at the estimate rate of 56 and 41 dollar. Okay, and now we have available $60.72. And the other stocks I was watching was PRV.UN, Pro Real Estate Investment Trust. That's a real estate company. They own a lot of real estate in warehouse and shops and things like that. It's not private real estate. It's a big company's real estate. They have a lot of pharmacies and drugstore and things like that as their clients. And they pay their dividend every month. It's now at 12.57%, and they've been paying these dividends for at least 10 years. I was invested in this company before. I've always get paid. I've never had any problem. It's really good right now. It used to be at $8. It's now at $3.50, so it's a big discount. I really believe in this company. So every single month you are going to receive a check for 12.57% of your investment over the year, separated in 12 months. You're not going to receive 12.57 every month. It's 12.57 over the years, divide by 12 months. So let's buy that. So let's try to use what we have left of our cash to buy that. So maybe 25, that's too much. 20, too much also. 15, no. 17, oh, not that much. Okay, so 17 is pretty much what we can buy right now at this price. So let's buy 17 stocks of Pro Real Estate. Continue. Estimated cost $60. That's great. Confirm order and done. So we don't have, so we got our TD share, and we have Pro Real Estate that is pending. So that's it for now. Let's close that. Let's close the second camera. So that's it for this week. I'm gonna make another video for the update in maybe 2 weeks, a month. I'm gonna check. If you have any question about what is dividend, what is a stocks, how the app works, if you want to mirror what I do and get the app, I'm gonna put a link in the description. Use my code. I'm not sure. I think you're getting a $5 free stocks or no, it's a $5 toward your next purchase, so you're gonna have a $5 discount on your next purchase of stocks. So use my code in the description below. I'm gonna put also my link for my email, Instagram, Facebook. So if you have any question, ask there, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.